How is your residential cleaning company training program coming along? Do you have documented processes and procedures in place? Would you like some help with that? We have some timely information for you that'll address the hands-on training program challenges that you might have. It's coming to ISSA Show North America 2021 and presented by Sharon Tinberg, the owner of Rags to Riches and housecleanerstraining.com. Her presentation is an all-access pass education event brought to you in the residential cleaning track by ARCSI, a division of ISSA. The name of Sharon's presentation is Developing a Hands-on Training Program in 4 Easy Steps. It'll be on Tuesday, November 16th at 2:30 p.m. Pacific time. Well, Sharon, thank you for joining us today. And I like that 4 easy steps. I think people are going to enjoy your presentation. Tell us why they should be there.
Thank you, Jeff, and thank you for the opportunity to do this. 13 years ago, my best friend forever, and I guess today I should say BFF, right? And we have 48 years of friendship, so we've proven the forever, decided to start a consulting firm. And it took us, I would say, at least 6 days to write the mission statement. We were into it. Funny, really, when you think about it. But it's still what drives me today, and it's the answer to your question. What they will get by coming to my session is an easier, more lucrative way to run a residential cleaning service. It's always been my mission. I ran a company for 20 years. At the end, we cleaned 95 homes a day. We had 60 employees. And one thing I said for 20 years was, there's got to be an easier way. It's very difficult to do this job. So I'm going to show them only one aspect of this, which is to make their house cleaning training easier and more lucrative, because that's the challenge. Once you get that done, the rest is kind of a piece of cake. So what I'll do in order to show them the easier part is I will show you how you can put together a training program that teaches process and procedure before this cleaner ever picks up a cleaning cloth. Process is, how do you clean a house? What do you do first? What do you do second? What do you do third? And how do you do it all and don't miss anything? Many owners think you can't clean a house perfectly. I've always believed you could, which is why we cleaned 95 homes a day and had 754 repeat clients way back in 2008, because we believed in this. Process is teaching them not to miss anything. And most companies never teach process at all. Then the second half is procedure. What product and tool do you use to clean it the fastest and the best? So you got to teach process and procedure. And unfortunately, sadly, big companies today still teach most of this in the field. I'm going to teach you how you can teach that 75% of what it takes to clean a house before that cleaner ever picks up a cleaning cloth. It'll make it faster. Instead of taking 2 weeks, it'll take you 10 hours to get a person actually adding to your bottom line instead of detracting from it for 2 weeks, because you're not saying the same thing over and over and over again. And let's face it, I mean, you can run through 4 to 6 cleaners in a month right now. They're in and out. So you also want to find out fast. You want to keep these people so they can complete this in about 4 hours. So it's an online thing, but you can take it offline if you're not that sophisticated. I'm going to show you how you can get this teaching someone how to clean a house done faster and easier, which will give you so much peace of mind, and you won't have to be answering those complaints. So that is what you will take from my session, my mission for years, which is how to make this job more lucrative, more easy, and more fun. And as a side note, if you don't want to wait until convention to fix your house cleaning training problems, visit www.housecleanerstraining.com.